CCTV Lon Rashapi daga Frank Motors Kajaka dekali ga bathamai jong Tata Motors halat ko ni Shillong ringkat bakanet foodish Ordal mapi nginwan ramani hakir dobyeng jongpi
The Ultimate Legend Bikers Association haga sengit hodieng ka arpu atre gayong arajar arpuar kala pelong ya jing Pynshai Paidbah haga bay day bat ka jing Phikir habanya kali bat habanya iki Thuk arshaka Hashwaban pensedang ya Ñiah rally de Thuk ka Tulba kala pelong shwai ka jing lang balingkot haga wala saki lang da Inspector General Katnat Prisons uba M Kharkrang uskatri ke UDP Dr. Jaminu Mautho bat kiwe Ya kini Ñiah rally de Thuk apo ka lam jong presiden uba seibor lang lingdo nong lain bat uskatri uba Rishan don nongrum lakawe lama the superintendent of police ka East Kasils district uba pa yakatnat penyak kali uba yan uswer lem bat district transport officer ka East Kasils uba di lamin
Is our life that worded that we just become a mere statistics? Is the life that has been given to us by the Lord Almighty, is it just a mere statistics? These two instances, I'm telling you, because it is my personal experience and I've been experiencing this a lot, many more. A lot of awareness programs have been conducted like this, but accidents continue to happen on daily. You see, the thing is, remember, in these two instances that I've narrated to you, in the first instance, we have the parents and the relatives of these two young kids waiting for them at home. In the second instance, we had a widow and two young children, ages 5 and 4, waiting for the father who will never come back anymore. I think so, it is high time that we as commuters, we as drivers, riders, it is high time that we introspect and say and make a commitment to ourselves that let me not be the cause of someone's tragedy. I think so, if that kind of responsibility is imbibed in us, we will be able to refrain from rash driving, and we can also reduce the number of deaths and the number of injured due to accidents. I guess each one of you, and I'm very glad to see the young school children over here, because at the end of the day is catch them young. Teach our children. In fact, earlier when I was SP, I remember we had mooted the idea that at least one chapter on safety and driving should be included in the syllabus or maybe in one of the chapters, because that is how you teach our young ones. Teach them young and they will imbibe in them, and later on when they grow and when they are at the age where they can drive and ride, that is the time that these things that have been taught in the school will be in their minds.
PE Apa man Pynshai Kindia babun sien habangi ya akal habangi Ñiah gino kali ngimju follow yaki traffic rules lane yaki rule jongka DTO ki blabu ki jak signal lane kino renya kwa ban suang yepi ba Kindia ngam kwa ban penjurang renya su highlight tang Kindia Bapak kok kinang Ñiah ki drivers ne ki tugi riders ki deban man follow ye traffic rules nakong nang sabi swaban po sa traffic rules nanong ye pi swab pinmi asurok pi deban check swa ye ki kali jampi lene ki ba jampi bagito ki ba jampi ki danam ki finen break ubiang nem ki steering ki biang nem para kok pi deban check long ko ba check ki kena school swab kin le check class ki deban check ki kot ki biang nem kat kum rutin ki biang nem khulom ki biang nem ki deban check ki kali rubun sien ki deban check yerta bau break ubiang nem clutch ubiang nem kini berkhot ki deban check swa Takabar pat suapa pilek sesurok, namar pilek tep sesurok kandan ke checking. Nakalian ke enforcement kincep, nakalian ke polis kincep, pidepan pendiang yang dokumen jepi. Naluki insuran, ki driving license, hadin yang ta ki RC, perkot kini pidepan bu banyak kali. Tentang dah pemerai kini bisa pan hak motor bekil akpat bisa empat utul pulit besniu enforcement besniu dari pempendiang ni kini berkhot sisim balap pila register kali jempi nak liang tadi itu yo telah ailot ye piki kot islam berkhot bak ngi ai license ru iki briu kiba nang banyak kali bak kibenang banyak abad kata kadik hat prasnam seneng hoi ki pekan briu senam tentang ni ayat kimo tang bagi di bandon ke skuti ke ba sanpau sisi ndere ke betul cispa arbusan cispa sanpau nomor baka habi yaki takadau ni hak par ni ai license yaki ni sakai hakata korkom ni dadon hiki MBI ki ban check yaki kabangas ngau pelapat bat na opsa menta bangala trailer system hang ni komoditi o hang ni selok babon sin ki bat kimjuk follow ya ke traffic rules menta gidon ngihang ne silong gidon arlings kawai na kadiang kawai na kamon nilai teng kini kibat hapden kiya ki blok perabat bila ji kata teng pat ki cross na kadiang teng ki cross si kamon kani ka ba pensniu ha ya kibri bat ka ba penincerai nga teng nang asong po kalinga itu bat ngaku mong baling aku mailai sedu to brio mengadam namar umbuat na dian kiya dek wik to kita pak itu ko para maki kumbang isar menekan mo kajing aksiden takaba kebalai bat pundai ban hari ban keloi pelat ban kerki tentang hakibat pat ngasai iba tentang kirang ba ki sakit laingot samut yaki kon joki tentang hakmat ki pensyong hadian ki pensyong ketur ke ba penusau ya ka Ñiah joki namar kam balansyo tekini berkot ni depan ban buat ha tek helmet ru ki depan ban penon kam ha ya helmet marka komputer section 129 ni hidepan penengkam baru armut berhakmat bahadian namar lada kelom tu menadian utur lamat sa ada dina khlik kata kata kisah yang bah use helmet kehadian nang ta sekawai de nak mentapat ki passenger nak mentapat ki Paidbah ki depan cross berbuar hagi zebra crossing kemudian cross blindly ye ki surok namar bagi cross blindly ye ki surok tentang kibat lene ki kaliru ki accident dade yo brio pat yo ngo bakla driver tema baki brio ki cross blindly kemut ki cross be ka surok klem da pek sir mereka sarkar telah persyang hipan bu yo ki footpath baki brio de banyak kata kade ba pelong haya ka ayu Kembang ni madam manage pangkat noise pollution. Bun ki bike menta kisah pendon kam di kita silencer ki bam tips you. Ki musik ayu kisah yo betul. Tentang kelapa apalagi kena siren ke badan Nepal Central Library. Dek itu ki noise pollution ru ladang ilap ni depan petkam ka Haba ke section 1902. Begitu ru ni depan step ba. Pi banyak baik pi percang hendak ke kangkong san barbor ngilap haki aksiden kis barbor kidei kibrir ki bawang menmiet ngamtip tentang hadian bagi ladap aksiden ngisai le inspek itu ke baik ke lapra tengah terai masuk modal pi apa national highway bisa gitu ki open shop gitu ki open shop ki bedikiat sudah hendak ke sarkar kasih yang bah don't mix drinking while driving. Tengibun sin ni saya lap baka dika mixing driving menit ke kambun ma. Teng pan dalawan legwen UMBR banding spek semia ketuk kali ba accident ni saya lap ba ki kali ki biang hi hendai tang beriu teng umbiang syu.
We need to see if there's a possibility to address the issues of potholes that are there. You know, when you go everywhere, you see potholes. We need to address the issues of parking spaces, you know, in the city. So, like I said, all these things are interlinked. All these things are interlinked. And that is why we also need good planning as far as road safety is concerned, because everything is linked. The physical environment, the social environment, the physical environment, the social environment, everything is linked. But what is most important, I feel, we have rules, we have regulations, we have strictures, but the big question is whether we as drivers or as riders, do we adhere to these safety norms or not? That is the big question. Rules are there, regulations are there, these advisories are there, but the big question is, do we adhere to these safety norms or not? That is the big question. And sometimes I feel when we talk about, the kind of congestion that we're having in the city of Shillong, I feel that the main reason of this congestion, not so much, I will not blame, the number of, the increase of vehicular traffic in the city of Shillong, but I would also blame the individuals, because we lack common sense. We say that common sense is the least common, no? We fail to apply common sense also at times. I know we have to adhere to these safety norms, how to drive, how to give signals, how to park, how to fall in line, and so on and so forth. But what is also important, considering the chaotic situation as far as the congestion is concerned in the city of Shillong, especially during rush hours, especially during school hours, I think we need to apply common sense. In the absence of good urban planning, because we are not able to widen the roads, we are not able to build, flyovers, we are not able to make good intersections and so on and so forth. In the absence of this, I think we need to apply common sense. Don't you think so? I think common sense is very, very important. But they also say common sense is the least common. I think we need to apply. And most importantly, like I said, it is not only about the infrastructure that is there or that is not there, but what is important is that sense that we should have when we talk about self-disciplining, when we talk about self-restraint. That is very, very important. And we also need to apply the common sense, like I said. Because if we do all these three things, a lot of things will be much better.
Actually, this is my cup of tea, because I am the traffic in charge in these particular sectors, and it's my subject. But because of the COVID, we are not doing since last 2 years, but we are doing in all the schools, colleges, all the institution drivers, we are organizing this type of program. So I feel I'm not the guest, I'm the rather host in this program. You understand? I'm really grateful that being an NGO, you are taking such a good initiatives. And on behalf of traffic branch also, you are doing this particular job. This program has become very lengthy, and especially the school children has become already bored. So after having tea and khana, I think they are a little bit fresh now. So I'll give in brief and I'll go a little bit fast. Then my one Havildar from Laimukara traffic branch, Raju Pahari, will demonstrate how to give signals. Okay. Especially this is meant for the school going children, what I am going to say. Then I'll elaborate some things also. Within 5 to 10 minutes I'll conclude my speech. Okay. Our main motto is save yourself to serve for your family. First you save yourself, then you will save your family. Is not it? Then now we have taken our group photograph. The moment the photograph will come, we'll try to trace out my own photograph, because I love myself. Is not it? Because I love myself first, then my wife, then my children, then my friends and all. So you save yourself first. Your life is more precious. Correct? Am I correct? That same way, What is our motto? The main aim of the road safety is to make the roads and streets in India safer. That is our main motto. Okay. We are here spreading awareness for what? About how to drive safely in order to avoid accident and injuries. Is it clear? This is our main motto. Then I will be coming to that point. Now, as Dr. Jamina Motho said, India ranks first in accidental death. This is true. All over India, all over the world, India always ranks first for accidental death. So, to improve road safety, Government of India, central government has taken lots of initiatives, and they have amended the bill that is become Act 2019. That Act, what has done? They have first done it. It is the Nitin Gadkari, who is the present transport minister. He has taken all the initiative to decline it. How? What he has done? He has, because MB Act, most of the sections under Motor Vehicles Act is a compoundable. So what first he has done? He has raised the fine, the compounding fine, 10 times higher than the present, which we are also doing since last 1 year. Okay. So that, what is the significance of that rules? Some of the significant ones, that among that are increasing in fines on rule breakers, extending the period of driving license renewals, increasing minimum compensation for death owing to accidents. You got my point? Earlier, whatever the amount it is in accidental death, that also makes 10 times more. Who will pay? The offender will pay. Your insurance is going to pay. If you are not having insurance, then you have to pay. Selling your own land also. You got my point? So automatically this type of patients has come. So offender thinks 100 times while he or she is driving the vehicle or riding the scooter or motorcycle.
और एक पॉजिटिव माइंड. अब जब भी गाड़ी चलाता है तो हमेशा अपना आपको कूल माइंड, आप अपना आपको सोचना पड़ेगा आई एम अ जेंटलमैन, नॉट आई एम अ ड्राइवर. तब आप सक्सेस होगा. और नंबर 2, डिसिप्लिन. ट्रैफिक अगर कहीं भी रुकता है आपको तो उसको मान के चलना पड़ेगा. और एज पर पब्लिक, शिलोंग पब्लिक बहुत अच्छा है, बहुत सपोर्ट करता है. इसलिए शिलोंग ट्रैफिक पुलिस आप लोग का सपोर्ट से हम लोग ट्रैफिक कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं. राइट सर? आप लोग का बगैर सपोर्ट का हम लोग कुछ भी नहीं कर सकता है. अगर हम धान खेती में ड्यूटी कर रहा है तो हम फायर ब्रिगेड में ब्लॉक है तो हम क्या बोलता है, सर आप ये डोंगोस को होके जाओ. देन वी हैव टू सपोर्ट. आप डोंगोस को होके जाता है तब जाके हम लोग ट्रैफिक कंट्रोल कर सकता है. ठीक है, हम ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं लगेगा. हम 4 सिग्नल बताएगा, आप लोग प्लीज देखिएगा. देखिए नंबर 1 सिग्नल क्या है. अगर हमको पीछे का गाड़ी को रुकना है तो आपको ट्रैफिक पुलिस का आपको सिग्नल मानना देखना पड़ेगा. क्या है सिग्नल? देखिए यहाँ से होगा 1. ओके, सामने देख सावधान. ठीक है, यहाँ से नंबर 1 सिग्नल. दाहिना बायां देखना है, बायां हाथ को. तो ये आपको देखना है कि ये मेजर या सिपाही क्या सिग्नल दिया है. तो ये हो गया नंबर 1 सिग्नल. अभी इसको हम क्लोज करेगा. क्लोज नंबर 1 सिग्नल. 1 2 3 1. ये हो गया नंबर 1 सिग्नल. ये क्या हो गया? जैसा कि हम धान खेती में है, सोचिए कि आप फायर ब्रिगेड से आ रहे हैं तो ये सिग्नल आपको देखना पड़ेगा. ओ ये ट्रैफिक सिग्नल क्या है. तो ये हो गया 1 नंबर सिग्नल. अभी 2 नंबर सिग्नल क्या है? 2 नंबर सिग्नल 1 2 3 1. ये क्या हो गया? आगे का गाड़ी. तो आपको आप जब गाड़ी चलाता है तो आपको ये देखना होगा कि ट्रैफिक कब हमको सिग्नल देगा. बस इसका मतलब है कि आगे का गाड़ी रुकने के लिए. ठीक है, नंबर 2 सिग्नल. नंबर 2 सिग्नल क्लोज कर. 1 2 3 1. अभी होगा 3 नंबर सिग्नल. पीछे का गाड़ी को रुकना और आगे का गाड़ी को रुकना. 3 नंबर सिग्नल शुरू कर. 1 2 3 1. ये क्या हो गया? पीछे का गाड़ी को रुका और आगे का गाड़ी. ठीक है, ये हो गया 3 नंबर सिग्नल. तो आपको ध्यान देने होगा. ऐसे 3 नंबर सिग्नल क्लोज कर. 1 2 3 1. अभी होगा 4 नंबर सिग्नल. बायां और दाहिना का गाड़ी को रुकना है. 4 नंबर सिग्नल शुरू कर. 1 2 3 1 ये देखिए ये हो गया 4 नंबर सिग्नल 4 नंबर सिग्नल क्लोज कर 2 3 1 तो शिलोंग का लिए इतना काफी है और बहुत भी है 12 13 सिग्नल नंबर में लेकिन आप इतना सिग्नल मान जाएगा एकदम सफिशिएंट है हम लोग का लिए
Bachelor